where we're living, and you can probably see all the surfers in the water because it's one of the first warm days. It's unseasonably cold right now, but there's lots of people out braving it, and we might do that next week. And what we're doing today is actually walking all the way along this beach to the next town over. You might be able to see it kind of right here, to Taghazout, which is a bit more touristy, and we're going to go check it out today and see what's happening in that town. Completed the walk along the beach. You can see the city behind us, Taghazout. We're about to go explore. It took us just over an hour as we stopped and took a lot of photos. And of course found another beach area with all these fishing boats. It's quite a cute little town, a lot of white and blue, so it has a bit of a Greek feel in a sense, but it's definitely its own unique place. So this is a chicken salad, and Beth over here got a vegetable tagine. And Joel's not being served. He'll get some food later, but his tagine broke during the cooking process, so they've started over. How do you feel?